Hello, everybody. This is Donna from Powering Pumps and Equipment. We are the connection hub for the pump and related equipment industry. Today, I am here with John Wilson, CEO of Industrial Flow Solutions. John, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Well, Donna, thanks for having me. It's great to be here, and always a great time of year to be able to have the conversation with everything going on. But as you said, I'm the CEO of Industrial Flow Solutions, based in New Haven, Connecticut, and happy to be here.
Awesome. Well, I'm really glad to have you here today with us. Well, as we know, Weftec is the perfect place to make connections and gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and opportunities the water sector faces. Can you talk to me about some of the water challenges that you're able to help solve?
Yeah, I think there's a number of ways we look at it. I think the first part is making sure that we do our part to provide really access to clean, affordable water and associated solutions. And a lot of that is making sure that we've got the ability to handle really the wastewater side of that, which always has its own challenges and can create multiple issues within the marketplace in terms of spills, leaks, environmental related items. And so a lot of our focus is how do we address the issues that the industry faces there in terms of whether or not it's domestically overseas with you can get CSO overflow events. You can end up getting heavy rainwater events that can flood areas. And so a lot of our focus is all around how do we efficiently and say safely move a lot of that media so that we don't see those types of events.
Definitely. And I mean, WEFTEC is using the tagline this year, which is join us to create an equitable, sustainable future. So, what does sustainability mean to you, and how would you say you are able to contribute as a company to a more sustainable future?
Yeah, I think sustainability really comes in a number of ways. I think that comes into education really about the market and what all of us can do to do our part. And a lot of what we'll try to do is be able to really help bring the awareness to the market and to the users about opportunities to be able to do things in a different manner and to be able to have access to more information but also data to be able to make more informed decisions. And really the way that we try to look at this is to be able to have a end-to-end solution. How do you be able to move, wastewater for the business we're in, but also how do you be able to more effectively predict and to look at what types of events could happen so that you give people an opportunity to see what's happening to then be able to ensure that we have opportunities for improved sustainability and availability to our most precious resources.
I love that. And what are you planning on showcasing this year at your booth?
Well, as our goal in the businesses is really to change the world one wet well at a time, and one of our key features is our Overwatch direct inline pumping technology. This is a breakthrough technology that really addresses a lot of the challenges that the industry faces in terms of identifying opportunities for safer working conditions, reducing environmental impacts, and again, really plays into the theme of WebTech this year so well. And really, what we get excited about that is it addresses a lot of the issues that people face today, whether or not that's handling of sewage or solids. You get into some of these cases in wet wells where you've got built up of hazardous odors, explosive gases, confined space entry, and really an opportunity to address those issues while also creating opportunities to be able to really lower cost of installations. And a lot of things we'll try to do is look at how deep of a hole do we need to dig to be able to move wastewater. And in those cases, that creates opportunities to affect water tables, other types of issues. And so really, as we get excited about showcasing that, I mean, it does eliminate just a lot of issues that we see today. And beyond that, as I would say, I mean, we have a goal of keep wastewater moving, and whether or not that's through municipalities, sewage lift stations, water reclamation, and whether or not it's chopping, grinding, shredding, passing solids, For us at IFS, I mean, we have a wide range of offerings that are available, and we're excited to show that at Weftec here this year, and really to be able to provide the ability to connect all of those together. And we have our deragger technology that we had the opportunity to partner with that team a few years ago. But that has really allowed us to create a more holistic, connected solution that ranges everything from float operated systems to full functioning station controllers that offer us connectivity to either provide connection to the cloud, data logging, SCADA compatibility, you name it. And it's really, as I say, Webtech's always an exciting time for us, just because while we get excited about what we do every day, it's a great chance to show off some of the things that we see opportunities in, but also to again find that way to be able to do what we really want to do, and that's change the world one wet well at a time.
Absolutely. I totally agree. And so what would be the best way to connect with you and your company?
Well, always the best way is via website at www.flowsolutions.com. We'll be at booth 3600 at WEFTEC. Um, we'll have a lot of people there, live demos, and everybody there to be able to connect in any way possible. And as always, you can find us on LinkedIn. That's probably one of the easiest ways to connect with us.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time today. And I'm really excited for WEFTEC myself.
It's always a great time, and always fun, and then we'll relax afterwards. But
Awesome.
Donna, thank you so much for the
Thank
time
you.
and the opportunity. It's always great to have a chance to talk.
Thank you so much, Sean. I really appreciate it.